is Karma Spence of karmaspence.com, and
I just got this new product, a tripod stand for either a tablet or a phone, and I thought I'd do a quick unboxing video because I'm kind of excited about it. Because this will like empower me to do all sorts of cool things that I haven't been able to do because I didn't have a proper way to hold my phone and my phone because I don't have a tablet. I will have a tablet at some point in time, but I don't have a tablet anymore at this time because I got rid of it. So the first thing I get on is visual instructions on how to use it. That's very handy. They don't have to worry about language. They just show you how to do it. That's pretty cool. Ooh, nice. I'd forgotten about this aspect. The whole thing comes in its nice little carrying case. So you can take it on the go. And then, and it closes using Velcro. Open and close during Velcro. Open it up here. And it's nicely wrapped in plastic and bubble wrap here. So we've got, I'm assuming this is one leg. Yeah, this has got to be a leg. So we've got a leg, another leg. This is the standy part. Yeah, that's an official term, standy part. Oh, this thing fell down. Almost didn't see that. It's a clicker. I guess you can take pictures. I'd seen it I'd seen it on the sales page and I wasn't sure how that works. So that'll be something I'll test. This is the thing that holds your phone. Let's see if it fits my phone. It won't fit it in the case and it won't fit it. So it's got to open somehow. Ah, there it is. Ha ha ha. It's stretchy. So I guess it can fit. There you go. It's holding onto my phone so I can take video this way, which is horizontal, or I can take video this way, which is vertical. And yes, that is a TARDIS. It's a TARDIS that's in Sebastopol. It's in someone's front yard. So that's the holy thing, again, with the technical terms. And then here's the tripod as part. So that's what comes in the box. So this is a tripod stand that you can get on Amazon. At the time I got it, it was priced just under $30. It can hold a 4.7 to 7-inch phone or a 7 to 13-inch tablet. I don't have a tablet at the moment, but I do have a phone and it fits really well on it. The hardest part I had was clipping this thing, the holder, the actual holder on this is what holds the phone or the tablet onto this holdy thing, which when it's undone, you can actually turn this in all sorts of directions. So you can catch all sorts of cool video. And then there are these two items which are hooked into the tripod. This is the tripod. And you stick them in here so it can get tall enough. And the last thing that comes in the package is this little Bluetooth thing. You switch it on, and it's got a little Bluetooth light. I couldn't get it to work with my phone. I'm thinking that maybe it's incompatible with my phone, or because the phone is so new to me, I haven't figured out how to attach a Bluetooth device. So I won't be able to show you that actually working. But because I tried to make that work, I discovered a new feature on my phone, which is I can set it up so that all I have to do is once it's in video mode, I can say record video, and it gives me a little timer and it records the video. So, and I can also do that with taking a picture. I can say smile or say cheese and it'll take a selfie. Really cool feature on my phone, but it has nothing to do with the tripod. Anyway, next up is some video of me actually using the camera so you can kind of see what it looks like all set up. All right, so now I've got the video set up. I'm talking to the video camera on the device. Now I'm turning over to the computer that's videotaping me talking to the camera. So this is pretty cool. Right now I'm just sitting in my comfy chair with the camera on one side and the computer at the other. But I could do it standing up. I could do it in any location. This will make doing videos on the fly so much easier. I'm really excited about using my new
Tripod stand. Woohoo! Tripod stand. That's even after it's put together, and that is my cat, Bold Kitty.